Hi everyone, welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. How are you doing? I just want to show you the piece that I made for Crystal at Bag O' Day's challenge to design something from using one of her stitch tutorials. Now I design stuff all the time, so I am entering her. If you haven't heard about her contest, she's going to have 3 winners and they're each going to get a box of yarn. And you know it's going to be good if it's from Crystal. So yeah, and it has to be a wearable that you make. And so I've made this, and I'll stand up and show you in a second. Just wanted to show you that I used YarnArt Flowers Moonlight. Didn't even use a whole cake. Lots left. It's a super fine one. They recommend a 3mm hook, but I used a 3.5, and the reason for that is just to make it a little more lacier. And this colorway is 3254. Now I can't remember if I got this from Hobium or if I got it from Velrita, one of those companies, because they both carry the YarnArt. So there's beautiful colors. I got into the blue, and I'll show you in a second. It started off with purple in the middle. So let's take a look. So first of all, I made this just to, to wear over. Say you have a really nice dress that's a little low cut, maybe too low cut, and you just want that extra little bit of coverage. Yeah, so that's really why I made it. And but of course you could wear it over anything that you want. I'm doing a tutorial on it. I'm using a 3-weight yarn for the tutorial, and it's actually, some fun colors that I'm using. So that'll be out sometime soon, I hope. Yeah, so the other colors are just, just for fun and to go out and, go to a fair or anything, it's just lots of fun. This is more of a dressy one, but you can still wear this to go shopping, Wear it for whatever you want to wear it for. Okay, so let's take a look. And it can be worn 2 different ways. I'm wearing a black dress. Here, let me just tip it up so I can at least talk to you and you can see me. All right, so this is it. This is the stitch tutorial. And in her tutorial, she says one of her favorite stitches, and it is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so the stitch is in the front and the back. So it's just a little capelet. That's all it is, just a little capelet. I'm wearing a little black dress, and it's quite low. So, this would be great to wear over top. It just goes below the girls. You can make it longer if you like. So you can wear it this way. I'm thinking with the one I'm doing for the tutorial, which will be exactly the same, but I may just change it up at the bottom a bit. We'll see. But yeah, so it can be worn this way. And I'll show you the other way in a minute. Look at the bottom there of the front, and the back is like that too. Isn't that cool? Okay, so it can be worn this way. Can also be worn this way. Isn't this beautiful yarn? My goodness. Yeah, so it can be worn this way. So that the points are at the front and the back. And then you have that fancy design on your shoulders. Yeah, so I love this yarn. I love how this turned out. And I started on the tutorial, like I said, using a 3-weight yarn with some different colors, and I can't wait till I finish the tutorial and get it out for you guys. But yeah, you'll be able to make this in a 1-weight, 2-weight, or a 3-weight. Maybe a bulky, not a bulky, maybe a 4-weight too if you want something a little warmer. Because yeah, I made this for the summer. But you can make, if you use a 4-weight, you can make it for colder months. Yeah. So let's put it back this way. All right. So I'm going to send Crystal some pictures soon. We have until the 15th. And then she's not accepting any pictures after that date. So today's June 1st. So yeah. I'll get pictures in as soon as I can. I'm so happy with it. Okay. All right. Thanks everyone for watching. I appreciate it. And I'll see you guys soon. Oops. I'll see y'all soon. All right. Bye.